I am Chloe Johnson. I work here in the welding department. I teach, well, now I teach half adult students, half high school students throughout the day, and I love it. I really loved art. I really love ceramics. The 3D aspect of getting my hands dirty and having things underneath my fingernails and being dirty, I love that. I love coming out of the ceramics class and being like covered in dried clay. It was fantastic. And welding also provided that for me too, where I came out and I had dirt on my face and I had smudges and grease, and it was fantastic. And the ability to be able to go through and make something that would last forever if I built it correctly is such a cool idea to me, because ceramics is cool, but it doesn't last per se, right? But welding's gonna be around until the end of the world. The intro class is very lockstep, very tight. However, when you get into advanced welding, depending on how far you progress in that class, you will have the tools and ability to go out and make them and be able to create your own things. And I actually have a lot of kids who come in and they're like, we kind of talk about on the first day, hey, why do you want to be in welding? What's going on with you? What's your benefit? What do you want to get out of this class? And there's a lot of them, and mostly girls, that say, yeah, I want to be able to do art stuff. I love the idea of making things such as roses, making art, making pretty things that, again, last for a long time. So I love doing these. I love doing anything more artistic. Again, this is very monotonous work if you look at it. Individually, all these little lines in here are hammered in, right? With the chipping hammer, it takes a bit of time when you do it. I love it though. It can be applied to make even like beautiful gates. Like, even though it's not necessarily art and super beautiful, right? But you can make it nicer, and it can overall add the look and the aesthetics of the house. There's still a art to it in the matter of how you do it in super tiny details, but that's the field I'm in, and it's what I can see now because of it. So